Oh, I love them.
Oh my God, they are beautiful.
This is Erica. We've been talking about doing some filler in her lips. We're going to inject her with really nice Restylane product. Give her some nice, natural looking, sexy, fuller lips. Erica, tell me what's going on with your lips.
So I want some more volume, mainly in the upper lip, but lower lip as well. And then more defining of my Cupid's bow.
So the nice thing about this product that we're using today, Restylane product, is it's a nice soft product. So it's really nice for the lips because it looks very natural.
Pretty good. Not bad.
Not bad.
Just a little pinch, but...
It's a hyaluronic acid, which basically means it's a synthetic version of something that's already in our skin. And if we don't like what we see or we have too much, we can always do another injection to dissolve it, which fortunately we don't have to do very often, but it's always there as a backup. The softness, again, does make it very natural. Now, these fillers that we put in are volume dependent. So more filler that's injected, more volume and more response that you get. But with small volumes, you can get a nice natural augmentation of the lip. I mean, that's like perfect.
It's beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I love them.
Oh my God, they are beautiful.
I honestly don't think you really need it anymore.
Yeah,
You do
no, I think
amazing
that's...
work, Dr. Jack.
I think they're perfect.
Oh my God, talk about
Those are
Anthony.
Valentine's Day ready lips right there.
Kissable lips.
Kissable lips.